Welcome to this comprehensive analysis of the Redmi A4 5G. We will cover the product, its competitive landscape, and strategic buying advice for the Indian budget segment. We begin with the product core, focusing on the technical architecture and foundational design principles of the Redmi A4 5G. The Redmi A4 5G features a premium glass sandwich design, moving away from plastic builds common in this price range. It offers a flagship-like aesthetic with finishes like sparkle purple and starry black. Enjoy a fluid visual experience with a 6.88-inch HD Plus IPS display, featuring a smooth 120Hz high refresh rate. This panel is large, supports immersive media consumption, and includes blue light certification for eye protection. The Redmi A4 5G debuts the 4nm Snapdragon 4's Gen 2 processor globally. This architecture provides better power efficiency and stable 5G connectivity, setting a performance benchmark for budget 5G devices. For imaging and energy, the phone features a 50-megapixels AI camera for detailed daylight captures and AI-enhanced night photography. It also has a massive 5,160 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support and a 33W charger in the box. User feedback praises the premium glass build, the large 120Hz screen, and reliable 5G signal. Complaints include the base 4GB RAM variant and the slower 18W charging speed. It is ideal for students or seniors, prioritizing build quality and battery. Next, we move to the market analysis, examining the competitive landscape and the pricing strategy. Comparing key competitors like the Poco M6 5G and Moto G34 5G, the Redmi A4 5G uniquely features a glass-back build at this price point and a highly efficient 4nm processor. The Redmi A4 5G offers the most aggressive entry price for a 5G device with a premium glass build, starting at 8,499 rupees. This positions it as the strongest value proposition. Buy it if you want the most affordable, premium-looking 5G phone. Prioritize a large 120Hz display or prefer an efficient 4nm processor. Skip it if you are a heavy gamer or need very fast charging. Thank you for watching this video. For more details on Xiaomi HyperOS or service support, please visit the official Xiaomi India portal.